Welcome to Real Internet Cash TV. It's your man Earl, Batman Stringer. Now in this video, I'm gonna share with you how you can turn this crazy inflation thing into an opportunity to help people and build a recurring monthly income for yourself. All right. So recently I joined an opportunity called Nexus Rewards. Nexus Rewards is a cashback and referral program that allows people to do two things. The first thing is it allows people to get cash back and receive savings every time they go shopping, whether it be online or offline. The second thing this program allows you to do is start building a recurring monthly income. All right, so let me explain how it works. When you go over to Nexus Rewards, you can sign up absolutely free. All right, so as a free member, you're going to get access to their recommended cashback apps. Now with these apps, you can actually start using them today and start receiving cash back on things that you buy. Things that you was already going to buy anyway, you can start getting cash back, all right? Also, you can even start getting money for referring people to some of these apps that's in the Nexus Rewards back office. So you can literally start making money today as a free member with Nexus Rewards. Now, if you want to actually start building a recurring monthly income, all you need to do is upgrade and become a premium member. Now, before you be like, whoa, premium member, upgrade, what we talking about? Listen, it's only $21.95 a month. All right, whether you break that down, was it like $5? Like $5 a week, right, to become a premium member. So the cool thing is, once you become a premium member, it opens up some crazy earning potential, all right? Because as a premium member, you're actually going to be able to earn $10 commissions for every person that you get that joins and becomes a premium member as well. So keep in mind, this is $10 a month. So as long as the person you get stays a member, which most likely they will, you're going to receive that $10 every single month. All right. So look at it like this. Even if you went out right now and got 10 people, just 10, right, on some light stuff, that's $100 a month that you're going to be getting just for showing people how to save money and get cash back every time they shop, right? How easy is that? So Nexus Rewards does have that network marketing aspect to it as well. And this means whenever you, the people that you bring in, when they bring in people and those people bring in people and those people bring in people, you're going to earn a little bit of money off of everybody that whoever you bring in, you're going to earn money from the people that they bring in, and so on and so on, 10 levels deep. So when you really think about it, the earning potential is crazy as a premium member. And keep in mind, you're only going to be paying basically $22 a month for crazy earning potential. Now, that whole matrix thing and the network marketing thing is really, really cool. But me personally, I will focus on just getting members, just getting those $10 commissions. Because like I said, if you got, 10 people, right, who are like, oh, they would love this opportunity, getting cash back and discounts, right? 10 people, that's an extra $100 in your pocket, right? Now, if you decided to do that, everything else is going to work out itself, because if those 10 people, right, they start sharing the opportunity because they most likely want to make more money, you're going to start earning money just naturally by people just, promoting the opportunity themselves. So even if you did 50 people, right, you're like, I want to get 50 people, which is not hard, right? 50 times $10 is $500 a month, $500 extra a month. So think about this. If you have 50 people, right, there's a very high chance that those people, some of those people are going to, promote the offer. They're going to start bringing people in because it's so easy to promote. So even though you're going to get that, standard $500 a month, it's most likely going to be a lot more than that because of the other people that's bringing people in. So it's a win-win situation, right? So guys, if you are looking for something easy to get started with, I get people all the time messaging me and texting me, and they're like, yo, is this legit? I need something easy, or I don't have a lot of money to invest. Like, this is it. You know what I'm saying? Like, because this program, this opportunity is so easy to promote to people. If you are new to affiliate marketing or even never even thought about it, you're just sharing this opportunity and getting paid for it, because all you're doing is saying, hey, you want to save money, you want to get cash back every time you shop, you want to start your own online, start an online income, recurring monthly income. That's it. That's all you got to do. All right. So it's that straightforward. Just look at it like $10 a month commissions, right? For showing people how to save money and get cash back. That's how the mentality. And then ask yourself, how many people do you want to bring into this opportunity? That's what you need to tell yourself. How many people you want to bring in? 100 people. All right, you do. That's gonna be $1,000 a month plus all of the other money that they could bring in from those people referring people. Right? Me, you know what I'm saying? I think big. I'm going hard. Right? I want 1,000 people in Nexus Rewards, and I feel comfortable saying that. You know why? Because this is so easy to promote to people, right? So my goal is 1,000. Question is, what is your goal? All right. So if you want to get started with Nexus Rewards, all you got to do is click the first link in the description. You'll be taken straight to that page. Now listen, there's a video you're going to see on that page. It's only 4 minutes and 30 seconds. Watch that entire video. It's very short. Watch it and you'll get a better understanding of the program and the opportunity that you can take advantage of starting today. Now, once you decide to join, you actually be on my team. So I will personally reach out to you and help you get set up and started so you can start making unlimited income. All right. So this is the perfect opportunity to combat this inflation that's going on everywhere, because you're going to be able to get cash back every time you buy groceries, you go out to eat, you buy something online, offline, anytime you travel, you're going to actually be able to get money back and save. Not to mention, you're going to be actually earning a recurring income and having your own online business. Now, what else more do you want? So click the link in the description and I will see you on the team.